Hello and welcome to LimaxLock video tutorial. In this video we will explain you the process of setting up Android for Work device mode. Using this mode you can enroll any Android device as an enterprise device, having the benefits of silently installing applications without user's interactions or confirmation. You can set up Android for Work using LimaxLock MDM console. In this console on the left side tab, if you see, you can find an option for Android for Work. When you click on that, you will see a start configuration option. Once you click on start configuration, it will redirect you to Google Android for Work page. Sign in. Click on sign in. That will take you to the Gmail sign up page where you have to provide your Gmail username along with the corresponding password. Once this is successful, you can get started. You will see a get started button. Just click on that. It will ask for your organization name. Enter your organization name, click next. This page is asking for data protection officer information. You can provide that if you have, or just skip that and confirm and click on complete registration. Once the QR code is generated, this QR code will be used to register your Android device. Your Android device can be a new Android device or a factory resetted Android device. We will walk you through the steps. Click next again, skip for now, next. You have to provide your Wi-Fi network configuration information and make sure that you provide the password and connect the Wi-Fi successfully before moving on to the next step. Click on next once you've successfully. Please make a note that on this page, you are not supposed to provide your Gmail credentials. Here you have to enter a code. The code is AFW #SETUP. I repeat, AFW #SETUP and click next. Once you enroll this device, it will ask for a QR code which was previously generated on LimaxLock MDM console. Scan the code, or you also have an option to provide the enrollment code. Click don't have the QR and then you can enter the code generated for it. Click next. Click next. Start. This will redirect to your LimaxLock login page. Provide your username and credential. Next, after successful login, you have to grant some permissions which will enable usage and access to LimaxLock application. Make sure that all the permissions are granted. Once that is successful, you can click on continue. and enter your device name, test 1, and just say done. Once you click on done, you can still have an option to click continue. Once you have completed your Android device setup, you can log on to your LimaxLock MDM console and choose Enterprise App Store option, which will let you browse through all the available Android applications. Here I am selecting Google Chrome. Next is Slack. Select Outlook. All the required applications, you can click on Save. This will automatically install all these selected applications on your Android device. Thank you for connecting with LimaxLock and watching this tutorial.